Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to turn off voice collection on LG Smart TV. First of all, let's disable voice recognition feature on our TV that we can access by holding down the gear button on the remote control until the settings menu appears on our screen. Then navigate to General tab, and in General, let's select AI Service, and in AI Service, you may find Voice Recognition Help and Voice Recognition Settings. If you want to disable voice recognition, you're going to have to go to the Voice Recognition Settings, and if you have this feature enabled, let's wait for a moment. So if you have these features enabled, just switch the toggle next to the left next to them, both for voice recognition, for voice response, and for voice ID if you have it set up. Basically, all you have to do is disable the first option and the rest will be disabled automatically. After you do that, let's go back to settings menu, hold down the gear button once again, and let's navigate to support section, and here let's go to privacy and terms, user agreements, and now make sure that you uncheck the voice info agreement and then select agree once again. And after that, the voice collection should be stopped on your TV. And so that's basically how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.